Want to track your DoorDash delivery in real time and know exactly when your food will arrive? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to track your food delivery live. First thing you want to do is open up the DoorDash app or open up any web browser and head over to DoorDash.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to head over to the Orders tab. Then tap the current order. This displays its current status, an interactive map showing the dasher's location and your estimated time of arrival. The map updates in real time so you can watch the delivery progress from pickup to drop off. Your order will go through different stages, such as in the process of being confirmed, at the restaurant, the dasher is on the way to you. You want to keep an eye out for the shipment notification via email or text, as DoorDash usually sends a link and status updates when your order is en route. If the map doesn't load or status doesn't update properly, check your connection or restart the app and reach out to DoorDash support if needed. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.